So first mod for the fit is we are replacing the stock shift knob with something less toy-like. So I decided to get it's the 04 to 06 Acura RSX base shift knob. That's the one with the 5-speed. The Type S has a 6-speed. Here it is. It's got some weight to it. And this is the part number. You also want to get one. So first things first, we're going to unscrew. It'll feel like it'll just continue to turn, but it's actually on a threaded. It's on that many threads. Okay, so the shifter comes with this nut. We're gonna screw that on, and don't go all the way down. Take your shifter. So if you tighten it all the way, it's gonna stop there. So we're gonna back it off, have it where we want it, and then take that nut and go up, and then those two should lock together. The nut on the bottom is a 14 millimeter.